Hi guys! So this is going to be a craft project video. I have a bunch of these hats from Gigi Pip, and what I wanted to do is, these two have cute bands, but this last one that I got, this brown one, does not have a cute band. So I thought, why don't I just make my own bands, because Gigi Pip was completely sold out. So I got these cute ribbons from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to put them around the hat with hot glue gun, and I'm just going to give it a go, and got this cute feather. I thought the feather could be used in the brown hat. It would look so cute right there. I also think I could use it for this hat as well. Look at that. That is going to be adorable. I'm so excited to make this band on the brown hat. Right now I am just measuring, using the ribbon, and wrapping it all the way around. By the way, if you guys do want to purchase one of these really cute hats, I am in their affiliate program, so you can use my link anytime you want, and I do make a small commission, but I am just really excited to do this cute band, and I love crafting projects, so this is really fun for me. My idea was to layer these ribbons, so I'm putting this beaded one on top of the other ribbon, and I'm going all the way around. I'm going to see if there's enough to wrap it twice. So I'm wrapping it all the way around. What I'm going to do when I'm done is take a hot glue gun, and I'm going to glue this all down. But I'm trying to see if it would be cute with the two beaded strands together, or if it would be cuter if I put a space in between them. See right here, I'm putting a space in between them, and I actually ended up liking that look better, so that's what I'm going to do. I put a little hot glue gun on the end of the ribbon, or beaded leather, I guess is what this would be, not technically ribbon. So I put a little drop of hot glue and just put it in place where I wanted it, and I'll turn the hat around in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. There, so I put two of the strands cut separately, and I'm just going to slowly glue them on there. So all I do is I put a little bit of hot glue right along that, and then I take the piece of leather and I put it in place exactly where I want it. And I already have that guide because I glued on the first two. So I'm just guiding it in the same place that those are glued in. You could probably take a piece of pencil and mark it if you don't trust yourself, but I found that it was really easy to keep the spacing even. I'm just doing the same thing right here, so if you want to fast forward you can. I did speed up the time a little bit just so it would go by faster. Now I'm completely done. I'm going to cut this off, and I'm going to make sure that that lines up good. And then I will just take the hot glue gun and finish gluing the rest of the pieces that need to stay in place. And that's it. Here's the final result. I am going to add a feather for fall and winter, but I'm not going to glue it down because I want it without the feather for summer and spring, and then I can use the feather for other hats. So like I said, use the link in my bio if you want one of these cute hats, and thank you so much for watching my video. Let me know if you want more projects like this.